Hey guys, what's up? It's Luke from K20 Motorsports. I got some really exciting news. Vibrant Performance has come on board as a sponsor for our RX8 K-Swap, and we're super excited because we've been longtime fans of their product and also using it a ton in our shop for the last couple of years. And they've graciously given us all this stuff here. So we could start with some of the cool stuff. They sent us one of their new super sleek titanium mufflers, which means titanium exhaust. We can check this thing out real quick. So this is a super lightweight, full titanium muffler with the burnt tip. They're available in a bunch of sizes. They've got the slip joint, which you want when attaching it to different materials. It's all beautifully TIG welded with the Vibrant logo laser etched in there. And this thing is super light. I'm not sure what the weight is, but it's light. And you can also fit a silencer as well. Moving on, we got a bunch of HD clamps, which everyone should be pretty familiar with these things. They're awesome. We've reviewed them a lot in our other videos. Titanium tubing, some stainless steel bends to make a nice stepped header. And we also got one of their 4-in-1 merge collectors just to make life a little bit easier. Pie cuts, and another thing that's super cool is we got their catch can. Now I'll take this out of the box. This thing is really, really nice. So the catch can is a self-contained unit, and it has some internal baffling and carries 4 ports, so you can use as much breathing as you need. Has a drain and a nice integrated stainless steel bracket that rotates around the housing, and a little dipstick as well. So this is the Vibrant PTFE lined hose. You can see that translucent liner in there. So that liner prevents the fuel vapor from leaking through, permeating through the rubber hose, which is standard on their other stainless steel and nylon product. And these actually use a specific fitting, so you cannot interchange the fittings. These fittings, which say PTFE lined flex hose, are only for this hose. They are not swivel fittings, so you got to be conscious of the position you use them in. And they have inside, if you take the end off, they have a ferrule. I believe it's non-reusable. I haven't tried yet, but it does provide a secure connection, and they work really good. So the other really neat product is, I think new to the catalog last year, is the Vibrant Performance oil cooler sandwich adapter plate, which features this nice machine plate that replaces either your factory oil cooler, or you can use it in line. And it has a thermostat. It has 2 fittings for in and out, nicely labeled, and also has NPT ports for your sensors, pressure, temperature, etc. Hopefully we'll get the car ready soon, and we'll be able to see all these cool products on the car in action, ripping laps and shooting fireballs. Stay tuned.